What's in the box? I got a couple of more boxes. Let's crack open to them, see what it is. All right, so jumping into this box, I actually recorded cutting it into it and didn't have the camera running. But what I picked up was this one here. This is Imperial Oud by Al Rehab. And if you ever picked up anything from Al Rehab, you know they don't wrap it in plastic. They just put it in the box and send it on its way. I saw this online. It was kind of interesting to me because it's supposed to be a clone or a dupe of Stronger With You Oud by Armani. And I figured, why not? Let's try it out and see what it is. See how it smells. Okay, so let's see. Got a test strip here. Oh, whoa, that spray is nice. Ooh. 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 Oh man. Okay. Okay, this is nice. It smells like it smells exactly what it is. It smells like Stronger With You with a little bit of oud, but not a funky oud. It's more of like more like a wet wood instead of like oud. It's not fecal at all, at least not on the tester strip. Oh my goodness, this is nice. It kind of reminds me of something else though. It's reminding me of something. Something really nice. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Can I put it on my skin? Can I do that? Oh man. Don't have a whole lot of empty skin. That spray is crazy. Oh, and also when I didn't hit record, I unboxed the other box and I found this in the box, and I was kind of like, "What is this? This is not doesn't have a name or anything on it." Now I opened it up, and it's just scent. It's just oil for the diffuser. So it wasn't a scent. It wasn't a fragrance, I should say. Well, it wasn't a fragrance that you put on your skin. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, this is crazy because it's starting to smells like Stronger With You, but kind of like with an oud and like some candy almost. It's like really sweet, like a sweet candy. Unless it's mixing with something that I have on my skin, but yeah, whew, this is nice. This is nice. If you have a chance, if you see it online, because it's not too expensive. I think I got it for like maybe about $10, $8, something like that. And it smells good. This is good. And it's a small little travel size, so you can put it in your pocket. This is nice. I like this. All right. That's all I got for you today. I just wanted to open up that package. I figured I'd share it with you guys and see what it was. No, but one of them was not a fragrance at all. Well, one of them was not a perfume or cologne that you put on your body. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. I know you could be anywhere else in the world. You share with me. Talking about this new fragrance I just got. Al Rehab Imperial Oud. Until next time, deuces. Hold up. So I'm back in because this fragrance, man, I had to roll my sleeves up and get it on some skin because what I was catching was like something that I couldn't put my finger on, and I didn't tell you guys the notes either. But this fragrance, if you see it, you need to pick it up. I'm I'm gonna jump in the notes, and I'll tell you what else it smells like. So the notes, they don't have a breakdown of top, middle, and base notes. It's just all notes together, which is vanilla, woodsy notes, lavender, and leather. And even though those notes don't sound like this other fragrance that it smells like, this smells, especially after about 10 minutes, this smells just like, I won't say just like, it smells very close to this Issey Miyake Noir Ombre. This is an amazing scent. It's discontinued now. It's really hard to find. If you can find it, it's usually going to cost you like between $200 and $300. It smells amazing. This is a really great one by Issey Miyake. I don't know why they stopped making it, but this smells like a watered down version of this. Oh my goodness. I thought I was just getting a clone of what is it, Stronger With You Oud Edition. I didn't realize it was similar to this. When I smelled Stronger With You Oud Edition, I did not pick up this. It smells similar to this, but it doesn't. It's weird. This smells similar to Stronger With You Oud, and it smells similar to this. But Stronger With You Oud does not smell similar to this to me. It smells like it may be in the same family, but it doesn't smell like it's like a brother and sister. It smells like it's like maybe a cousin or something. But this is, if you're looking for Stronger With You Oud, or if you're looking for Issey Miyake's Noir Ombre, pick this up. Imperial Oud. This is this is an amazing little fragrance. I think I paid like $8 for it. Whew. All right. I just had to jump back and tell you guys that. I gave you the notes, and this fragrance came out. It's not too old either. It came out like in 2022. So I'm not sure if they plan to make it as a clone of Stronger With You, or if they plan to make a clone of Noir Ombre, but either way, it's a good smelling fragrance, and it's, like I said, it's very inexpensive, so might want to jump on this. All right. Okay, again, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Imperial Oud. Whew, new little hype thing. Whew. All right, till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.